All right, happy weekend, at least to me. Ended up having a good storm finally, and the real feel dropped by 20 degrees. I retested some of my lifts and found okay, I haven't lost some strength, and that heat and humidity is a relatively significant factor to oh yes, big stretchy boy, to my general performance. So today's plan was to kind of hit it hard. Like I mentioned, I feel like I've been lacking on the intensity front, but then I overrated. So here I am. So the plan for today is 3 rounds of dips, single leg deadlifts, and side planks. And the side planks will be marching based, because I think that's one of the other things that I've been kind of slacking on is core work, where I'm actually maintaining core tension versus just hoping and praying. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how Mr. Pony Butt here ends up interfering. We'll give him a couple more seconds of pets here, because he has been a squeaky boy all day. And I've had to get some stuff done, so a couple minutes of attention is not a bad thing. All right, that good, my boy. So I thought about doing a 5x5 here at the home gym, 5 sets, 5 reps, but it doesn't really work for all the things that I've programmed. So what we will try and instead focus on is trying to make sure that I work until failure on each round. So today I haven't done dips in forever. I still feel super full because the amount of food that I ate. So I'm not about to slap on a weighted vest and try to do 30 seconds of dips. I'm just gonna shoot for 30 seconds of dips, and we'll work our way in through that kind of manner. All right, here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Dips. It's also relatively warm in the house, so just talking, I could feel the sweat forming, trying to be more energy conscious, but it's been a little bit of a struggle these last 2 weeks with the relative humidity we've had. Let's see here. So I've decided to push for 405 on deadlifts. So the assumption is in 1 or 2 cycles, my 1 RM should be 405, but we'll see how that goes. tried a few of these off camera, and I think I figured out the abductor leg goes in front, the adductor leg goes behind. Definitely more challenging than the standard plank. All right. Okay. That went well enough. I actually don't know how much weight. I have 20 pounds. All right. One of the things that I found out for myself was I wasn't making my arms long enough during deadlift. So, like, that's some of the best. That's like some of the best balance I've had during single leg deadlift. So, so on the first set of the side planks, where my right groin had to work, felt a little discomfort. Cleaned up on the second set. But regarding deadlifts, like, something's just clicked recently. And my deadlifts kind of came back. So even with this, right, I haven't had my right leg cooperate with balance work that quickly in a while. And this is kind of what I mean about the intensity, amount of breath. I know I'm working hard. Versus the other videos, I was like lifting and talking, no real problem. I'm sweating, but like I said, I'm still kind of full, kind of warm. All right. last set of side planks. Gotta stop. I'm on a pair. Whew. Man, my conditioning is shot 2. Man, this is awful. Final round. There we go. 1, 3, 4. Okay. Took about 15 minutes with rest breaks. Got 12 zone minutes. So the intensity is coming back. All right. If you did what I did, great. Did your own thing. Great. You're just starting, looking for ideas, motivation, discipline, our community to support you. That's what we're here to do. Help each other be a little better every day. So, good job today. Keep working hard. We'll see you next time.